Dear students, parents, and my dear staff members of KVAFS Akulam family, as our mother nation celebrates its 74th Independence Day today, I wish you all a very happy and proud Independence Day. On this occasion, let's remember with gratitude our national heroes, the countless freedom fighters and revolutionaries who struggled, strived, and made heroic sacrifices to win us freedom, and celebrate this day. Let's renew our pledge to always uphold our national unity so that we can live together in peace and harmony. Once again, on this occasion, I extend my heartfelt wishes to all of you. Happy Independence Day again. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Stand at this. Attend. Salute.
अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गावे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे विश्व तिरंगा प्यारा झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा विजयी विश्व तिरंगा प्यारा झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा सदा शक्ति बरसाने वाला प्रेम सुधा सरसाने वाला वीरों को हर रहे हमारा।
I would like to welcome you all to the Independence Day celebrations of KV AFS Angula. Golden rays of freedom have reached our shores through the heroic battles fought by our ancestors. Our forefathers fought against an empire which was described as an empire on which sun never sets. We are indebted to them, to all the freedom fighters for this day. It's because of their efforts we have got freedom and we got this opportunity to celebrate today. While we celebrate this day in an unprecedented manner by wearing masks and with social distancing, we have to remember that our country is in another fight today. Our doctors, health workers, policemen all are trying to save our country from this pandemic. We are in a fight against COVID-19. And many of them have already lost their lives in this battle. We have to pay tributes. Let's salute all those people who fought for us and those who lost their lives and still they are fighting to save our country. And today we have decided to celebrate this day by following all the COVID protocols and guidelines put forward by the Government of India. Today we have with us our Chief Guest of the day, Mr. Tangapati and Madam Sibi. We know that they have rendered a long and meritorious service in this years, and they have served throughout their life. They have rendered a meritorious service to our nation and our organization. It's a special way of honoring them by giving them a chance to hoist flag on this Independence Day. I would like to welcome you all to this program. Let's start with an Independence Day speech by Madam Shalini, DG Hindi of our Vidyalaya. Madam, please.
प्राचार्य महोदय, आदरणीय शिक्षकगण, आदरणीय अभिभावकों एवं प्रिय छात्रों, आप सभी को सुप्रभात। मैं आज आप सभी को स्वतंत्रता दिवस की शुभकामना देती हूँ। स्वतंत्रता दिवस एक ऐतिहासिक पर्व है। आज से 73 वर्ष पूर्व 15 अगस्त 1947 को आजादी मिली थी। हमारे देश की आजादी में सबसे महत्वपूर्ण योगदान महात्मा गांधी जी ने दिया, जिन्होंने ब्रिटिश सरकार के खिलाफ सत्य और अहिंसा का मार्ग अपनाकर उन्हें भारत छोड़ने पर मजबूर कर दिया। देश की आजादी में कई अन्य स्वतंत्रता सेनानी जैसे जवाहरलाल नेहरू, सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल, सुभाष चंद्र बोस, भगत सिंह, चंद्रशेखर आजाद इत्यादि कई ऐसे लोग थे जिन्होंने भारत की आजादी में अपना योगदान दिया और देश को अंग्रेजों की गुलामी से के चंगुल से मुक्त करवाया। हम बहुत भाग्यशाली हैं कि इतिहास में हमें ऐसे महान स्वतंत्रता सेनानी और क्रांतिकारी मिले और उन्होंने न केवल देश को बल्कि आगे आने वाली पीढ़ियों को भी अंग्रेजों की गुलामी से आज़ाद करवाया और इसके योगदान के कारण हमें यह शांतिपूर्ण जीवन मिला है। आज हमारा देश एक लोकतांत्रिक देश है और विकास की ओर अग्रसर है। इस दिन प्रतिवर्ष शिक्षा, व्यापार, खेल आदि के क्षेत्र में तरक्की कर रहे हैं, साथ ही नई खोज करने में लगे हुए हैं, परंतु हमें अभी भी नए अवसरों को खोजें, समझें और भविष्य की नई चुनौतियों को स्वीकार कर भारत देश को उन्नति के पथ पर अग्रसर करें। हम सबका कर्तव्य व जिम्मेदारी है कि हम सर्वदा अपनी मातृभूमि की रक्षा करने के लिए तत्पर रहें। इतनी कठिनाइयों के बाद मिली आज़ादी का सम्मान कर एक जिम्मेदार नागरिक ही समृद्ध राष्ट्र का निर्माण कर सकेगा। एक अनमोल वचन, चलो फिर से वो नज़ारा याद कर लेना, चलो फिर से वो नज़ारा याद कर लेना, शहीदों के दिल में थी जो ज्वाला याद कर लेना, जिसमें बहकर आज़ादी पहुंची थी किनारे पे, जिसमें बहकर आज़ादी पहुंची थी किनारे पे, देशभक्तों के खून की वो धारा याद करें। जय हिंद, जय भारत, धन्यवाद।
My love for my nation is boundless. My love for my people is endless. All I desire for my country is happiness. A very warm good morning to one and all present here and those who watch this program. First, wish you a happy Independence Day. I also take this opportunity to salute our beloved tricolor, and I bow my head before the remembrance of all those who shed their life for this noble cause. I hope you all are grateful for freedom you enjoy and are proud of this nation where you born. When I stand before you, I remember one article I read in Competition Success. Heading was India of 21st Century. That article starts like this. In the day I was born in this country was also born in me. I repeat, in the day I was born in this country was also born in me. When we celebrate this Independence Day, when we salute our tricolor, when we sing our national anthem and national song, if we are able to experience this, the day I was born in this country was also born in me, our Independence Day celebration would be more meaningful. Today we are celebrating 24th independence of this great nation. On August 15, 1947, a big nation was raised to life and freedom. Then and there, we started a long journey. For numerous changes, we worked to eliminate hunger, poverty and disease. We tried for wealth, social equality and justice. We planned an India where all youth are getting job and they are actively participating in nation building process. 73 years ago, we have achieved many things. When we look back, We can be proud because India is standing now one of the fastest economy in the world. Whole world is looking at India because a young nation which is being shaped by young minds of India. Even in this pandemic, COVID-19, we are in a position to help the developed countries of the world as well. In the path of this development, we had a number of shortcomings. We have a number of shortcomings. But a nation which is shaped by young minds cannot point our finger to anyone. Instead, I point you to me. If any shortcoming is there, the change should start from us. If the limitation is there, the young people of India are here to work. Think, I was the bridge that was not built. I was the gutter that was not filled. I in India. The first letter of India stands for me. Dear students, this is your time. This is the time to redefine the meaning of freedom. Our freedom fighters achieve political and economic freedom. Now, this is what I ask with you. Please redefine our freedom. What should be the new freedom? How should we use this freedom? Use this freedom not only to express your viewpoint, but also to listen the most weak voice of the nation. Use this freedom not only to claim our rights, but also to understand our responsibilities. Use this freedom not only to explore Moon and Mars, but also to accommodate all living organisms in a beautiful habitat. Use this freedom not only to imitate plants, but also to preserve our glorious heritage. My dear kids, my dear students, as I told, this is your time. Then your perseverance, your dedication, your commitment, that will define the 21st century of India. When I stand before you, I remember 4 lines of a Bollywood song. I am not a singer, but I will try to sing. The Bollywood lyrics says like this: London dekha, Paris dekha, London dekha, Paris dekha, और देखा जापान, माइकल देखा, आल्बस देखा, सब मेरी जान, सारे जग में कहीं नहीं है दूसरा हिंदुस्तान, दूसरा हिंदुस्तान. My dear students, you cannot see such a beautiful country having such a diversity, anywhere in the world, because this country is the cradle of human race. This country is the birthplace of human speech. This country is the mother of history. This country is the grandmother of heritage and big grandfather of tradition. This is our motherland. Love our motherland. Jai Hind.
Colleagues and parents, it gives me immense pleasure to address you as we celebrate our 74th Independence Day today. On this day, as we remember with utmost gratitude and respect our freedom fighters who made this possible, let us bear in mind that we too have a role to fulfill. Primarily, to work for the unity and integrity of our nation and serve in the best manner possible. On this occasion, I would like to express my solidarity with all the brave warriors who are engaged in the battle against COVID-19. Since our independence, we are in a constant fight against many odds to become self-reliant. I am sure that we will overcome this pandemic too. Today, I am here to share the dreams of our forefathers about independent India. They had envisioned a prosperous India, an India which has got rid of centuries-old burden of poverty, hunger, and disease, where the light of education has driven away the darkness of ignorance and superstition. They had dreamt of an India where the youth get employment opportunities that enable them to contribute to the noble endeavor of nation building. There can be no place for narrow-mindedness, corruption in a modern progressive nation. We have to drive away the forces that weaken our secular outlook. We have to strengthen the traditions and ideals shown by our proud forefathers. Let's uphold the great principles like I would like to conclude with a prayer that may all of you stay healthy, stay happy, and stay safe. Wish you all a happy Independence Day. Jai Hind.
Dear colleagues and children, today we definitely feel something is missing. We miss our children. Usually they used to adorn the stage with their dance, patriotic songs. They used to create an ambience over here. But today, as it's the time of virtual celebration, our children, they all are participating from their homes in this celebration. And a number of programs they have said they have done. And today now we are going to live stream the programs done by our students.
दम से रिक्श के जिनान हमारा हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदू सिता हमारा हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा मजहब नहीं सिखाता आपस में बहरकना मजहब नहीं सिखाता आपस में बैर रखना हिंदी है हम हिंदी है हम हिंदी है हम बदन है हिंदू सिता हमारा हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदू सिता हमारा हम बुलबुले हैं सकी हे गुल सिता हमारा हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदू सिता हमारा हम बुलबुले हैं सकी हे गुल सिता हमारा हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदू सिता हमारा हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदू सिता हमारा हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा
First of all, a very happy Independence Day to all of you. As we know, today our India is celebrating the 73rd Independence Day amidst the coronavirus crisis. As we have faced many problems since the independence, like that, this crisis will soon be in our conquered list. Do you guys know what's the main problem we face during this COVID period? The answer is struggle for independence. Yeah, to be frank, we are going through the same independence struggle which we have encountered 73 years before. But that was for our freedom. And this is for our survival. It's been 73 years since we have tasted our independence. And yet, where are we standing right now? We are still over-depending on other countries and organizations to even fulfill our basic needs. This is dependency and we are still the followers of others. There is no freedom for us to do our work by ourselves and we need the help of others to sort out our work. So, as a matter of fact, we can say that we still haven't got our independence. Some people regard independence as freedom, like we enjoy today freedom to do anything, but actually independence means not depending on others. We must depend on ourselves with our skill, with our art, our education and our technology and much more. We must find out our potential or the area of our potential and we must work hard to improve our potential so that one day we will be independently leading our life and maybe at that time others will seek our help to run their basic needs. This is the actual meaning of independence. Now, this COVID crisis is our best chance to be self-reliant and independent. And there are various programs for the government like Self-Reliant India Mission or Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan, Make in India projects and much more to help people become self-reliant. We need to be independent as the future depends only on our capability. So I conclude my words with the opinion that this COVID crisis can teach us the meaning of independence on our 73rd Independence Day so that we won't have to struggle like this in the future. So once again, happy Independence Day to everyone. Thank you.
वदन वदन मेरे आबाद रही तू हे वदन वदन मेरे आबाद रही तू मैं जहान रुझान याद रही तू मैं जहान रुझान याद रही तू हे वदन मेरे वदन हे वदन मेरे वदन तुझ पे कोई काम किया जान नहीं दो तुझ पे कोई काम किया जान नहीं दो हे वदन मेरे वदन हे वदन मेरे वदन हे वदन वदन मेरे आबाद रही तू हे वदन वदन मेरे आबाद रही तू मैं जान रुझान याद रही तू मैं जान रुझान याद रही तू हे वदन मेरे वदन हे वदन मेरे वदन हे वदन
खत्म बिल्कुल जीत का मुझे कब से इंतजार था आज की शाम का तब देखो क्या करता है ये बड़ा हिंदुस्तान का किसी के भी आगे झुका नहीं हाँ मैं हूँ उस देश का बैठ के ले नजारा स्ट्रगल और बेस का ना चलूं ये चलूं ढाई ढाई चाल मैं खेल मेरा होगा ये देख नबी देश का इसका कैसे हम के भी झुकाऊंगा तुझे मिट्टी कर दूंगा या फिर मिट्टी में मिल जाऊंगा तू भी कहा मैं वो करके दिखाऊंगा दुनिया से हूँ खाली हाथ नहीं जाऊंगा मैं जब से मगर झाड़ दूंगा तो मैं उखाड़ दूंगा जहाँ से तू आया है ना वही तुझे गाड़ दूंगा तेरी जमीन पे आज तुझे पखाड़ दूंगा झंडा इंडिया का बुके गाड़ दूंगा मुझे कोई परवाह नहीं तुमको मैं दिखाऊं मुझे कोई परवाह नहीं माँ ही मेरा रब है मेरी माँ ही मेरा पीर मेरी माँ के पैरों के अलावा कोई करता नहीं नाचूंगा उससे दूर है नाचूंगा मजबूर है आज की शाम मेरी माँ के है नाम मेरी माँ मुझे देखेगी नाचना जरूर है मैं जीतूंगा हारूं मुझे नाचना जरूर है मेरी माँ मुझे देखेगी नाचना
Thank you children for participating in this program from your homes without losing the spirit of the day. Now, due to time constraints, we have to cut short many of the programs that you people have said. And now we will have out of thanks.
Honorable Principal, respected parents, dear colleagues, and all my dear students. Wish you all a very happy Independence Day. India's Independence Day reminds all of us about the great sacrifices our freedom fighters have made to secure the country's future. Since its independence, India has made a stellar progress in almost all the fields, be it education, military, space, technology, etc. A big salute to all those heroes. Today, we are indebted to our doctors, nurses, health workers, and all other police forces and other missionaries, those who are in the forefront of our fight against COVID-19. So, a big salute to those heroes. Celebrations and festivities of this year's Independence Day could not take place as usual. Keeping pace with the new normal, we are adjusting with the new festivities unheard of the past, bringing technology to the festivities and curriculum, which has become a part of our lifestyle. Without taking much of time and deviating from the task given to me, that is proposing vote of thanks, let me take this opportunity to thank our principal sir, Mr. Kumar Mohan, for organizing this program. Let me thank Gracie Madam for the Independence Day message, and Charlie Madam and Letty Sir for the speeches. Thank you, sirs and Madam. My sincere thanks to all my dear students, those who have participated in a tremendous way. They have contributed a lot of things to our drive, and still we are expecting, due to time constraints, we couldn't show all of them, but surely it will be uploaded in the Facebook of our school website. Thank you all the parents and the teachers for their sincere effort. I must thank all my colleagues for their involvement and their willingness to share their time, coming out of their comfort zone and making this program a grand success. Thank you all. Jai Hind.